Hi, I'm Solomon from eSpares, the channel that helps you fix your home appliances yourself. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the E01 error code on your Beko washing machine. This E01 error code, also displayed as an E1 error code, means that your washing machine has a faulty NTC. A faulty NTC means that your washing machine water is not getting hot enough and that the NTC needs to be replaced. This is a fix that you can do yourself at home with help from eSpares. For this repair, you'll need a Torx T20 screwdriver and a pair of pliers. Always remember, safety first. Switch off your appliance from the mains and unplug it before carrying out any work. The first thing to do is remove the Torx T20 screws from the rear back panel and then place the panel safely to one side. Here you can see the NTC. Remove the electrical connection. Using your pliers, proceed to remove the NTC from out of the heating element. Before you purchase a new NTC, you're going to need to know the model number of your washing machine. This is to ensure you choose the correct part for your exact make and model of washing machine. If you don't know the model number or where to find it, then don't worry. Check out our video on how to find the model number on a washing machine here. Here's a top tip. Before fitting the new NTC, apply a small amount of washing up liquid around the NTC to help ease it into position within the element. You can apply a little bit of washing up liquid here and reinsert the NTC. Finally, reconnect the electrical connection. And now it's time to refit the rear panel and secure it in place with the screws. And there you have it. That's how you fix the Beko E01 washing machine error code, or E1 error. This should have solved why your washing machine was not heating to the correct level. Hopefully the error code has now been removed and your appliance is working as usual again now. Now that you've solved this problem, why not learn about other possible error codes on a Beko washing machine, in case you get a different washing machine fault in the future. Just check out our playlist down here on Beko washing machine error codes for all you need to know. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to the eSpares channel and like this video if it has helped you. Thanks for watching.